Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have the Super Power Air Duster. Let's check this one out here. Comes with instructions. I probably am just going to put it down, but I'll show you guys. This is the air duster here. It's got some weight to it. Must have a really heavy duty battery in there. The weight is all in that bottom section. But let's go ahead and see. It's got a tape over the button area here. There, I took that off. Let's see what's in. Don't know what's in this little section. Ah, that's where it's going to be like a vacuum part of it. So the back side, one side will blow, the other side will suck. And so when it sucks it in, it's going to suck it in to here, and then it will have, let's take the little flat one-way valve, suck it in, got an air filter, and so it'll keep it that way. So let's see, where is this going to connect up to? Something in there. Let's go ahead and try this thing out here. Looks like power is right there. And I held that on, and it lights up there. It says we are low on power, so it might not work. But there it is, blowing. We are at, wow, blowing it. It's pushing the whole thing. Look at that. Okay, so there's 1. It goes from 1 all the way up to 9. And so that side's definitely sucking, and the other side's definitely pulling. So, and then I can hold down the power button to turn it off. Okay, so we've got the basics of it down. And then we are given lots of different attachments here. So we have, I guess this attachment here is probably going to be the one that goes on the back here for the vacuum. Let's see. Will this go in there? That, and then this will go on there. So there. So now we are acting as a vacuum, so it will suck in stuff, and we can use different heads like this one here for vacuuming. So this will be great for getting in between the seats and whatnot. Oop, I did it. I guess it just depends on how you put the little thing on. There we go. So getting in between your seats in your car and things like that, you've got that angle there. We've got some of these ones like this here as well. So little one there, get into the vents and whatnot. And then we have this, oh, this one here is good. So this will go on the other side. So that's if we want to go. So now if we want to go back to the blowing side, and if we want to fill up an air, like a mattress or something like that, you can just go like that. And then when we turn this thing on, it'll blow. And then we are blowing up, filling up a mattress with this. So that's what that one's for. So we can do that. Oop. Can I hold this one down and do anything? No, yeah, that one will hold down. And we are given a few different other tips here. We have a little brush one here, so that's good also for getting in the car areas for vacuuming or blowing, whatever. And then this one here as well. So we have all sorts of different tips and ends and pieces and parts. And we have our charging cable right here. So that's what I'll probably do is charge this up now because it said it was on flashing on the battery right there. So we'll charge it up and then I'll have it all ready. So there's the charging port all ready to go for when I need to do some heavy duty blowing or sucking. So really cool. Nice to have a little vacuum and apparatus like this for sure. Thumbs up.